Come on, Dominoes. Everybody, let's go. Come on, let's get to it. I know that we can do it. Where are we going? To the penthouse. Where are we going? To the penthouse. Where are we going? To the penthouse.
Well, look who it is. You guys, we're back from the Lavelle Show mid-season finale. I'm so excited. I missed you guys. I'm gonna let you guys exclusively in what I've been working on. And it's been my new place, the penthouse. I'm gonna show you guys what I did design-wise, give you design tips. Come on in, come on in. We have to start with one of my most productive pieces, which is my desk. So this is my desk area, guys. A big part of the finishes were gold and actually silver finishes. So I'm playing on metal throughout the space. And so we'll look at how that worked. I spent literally 2 hours in the furniture store going back on if I can do silver and gold. I feel like it worked, so it's actually one of my favorites. But here, you'll see, we have the gold finishes, highlights of white. Keeping everything really bright was really important to me. So we kept everything bright, and this is why we picked the white desk. Now look at this. This looks so good, right? This desk, I'm gonna let you guys know, I'll be balling on the budget. This desk cost me only $100. Wayfair.com. I'm gonna show you guys this link so you can get it if you like it. But this desk keeps me incredibly productive. And then how cute is this stool? I wanted a lot of my space to be very masculine, feminine, yet sexy, and hot. And so I thought this stool was a great play on that. It wasn't as cheap as $100, but you know, I come here and I work. I put together those $1 million contracts, and then I have my family here as my constant inspiration when I'm working hard or having a hard day at my desk. And so I have all of them here. Shout out to my family, love you guys. And shout out to IKEA. Picture frames, $3. I'm telling you guys, we're gonna ball a bunch. I'm gonna give you all helpful tips on how we do this space. There, now next, right? We have where all the magic happened. I know people typically say the magic happened in a bedroom. Now with the Lavelle Show, the magic happened in my walk-in closet. And so this is where I come and I'm inspired by looks and things like that. So for me, what I do is I design my closet by design. So right, I have a lot of prints, I have solids, I have shorts, I have this, I have that. If we look at my closet, that's how I typically design. So I have all of my crazy prints here, more solid there. We have pants by design. So crazy designs here, jeans back there. This really saves me a lot of time, guys. So I save a bunch of time just because everything's by design. So I know if I wake up, I feel like, all right, I want to wear a crazy shirt, some small shorts, where to go for it. Now, colors may work for people, and I'm going to tell you guys, try doing it by designing your clothes. You'll save a lot of time, and it works. Colors, they become a blur. I tried it. Design works much better. And this is where a lot of magic happened in putting together all these great pieces that the Lavelle Show be wearing. You know what I'm saying? All right, so next, I am the hostess with the mostest. And so for me, and let's get a look at this space. It was important for me to have a studio that really played on being a host, but also dividing the space to where you have different sections and different moments. This is officially my living room. Now, I love this living room. We're gonna get into all the knickknacks that I play with in this living space. One of my favorite features in the living space has to be my TV. So look at this TV, right? Everybody has Alexa in their home. Alexa, turn on this, Alexa, turn on that. This is actually an Amazon Smart TV. I'm gonna give you the price point on this because you guys are gonna wanna see it. But the thing I love about this one is I barely play with this remote. Alexa controls the TV completely, so check this out. Alexa, open my Netflix app.
Here's Netflix.
She literally opened my Netflix from my voice. Let's do it one more time, Alexa, open my Sling TV app.
Here's Sling TV.
She does everything right from the remote. So it's completely voice controlled. It does anything I want it all from my smart TV app. You know no one has cable anymore. So I'm using Sling TV, $20 a month. I'm getting HGTV, I'm getting my Real Housewives of Atlanta on Bravo, Sling TV. Listen, you guys gotta get that if you don't have it already. I'm gonna show you guys a code to get a discount. But this smart TV, which is controlled by Alexa, she also works with my voice. This TV only cost me $250, 50-inch from Best Buy, okay? Next, we have, of course, my beautiful table. This is a great example of me working with the play on metals. So we have a silver coffee table, right? But I did gold accents. So we have like gold coasters. We have this gold little crazy piece that I found at Marshall's. And so I really am happy with the play on metals. Now I'm gonna get an area rug really soon, and maybe you guys can help me because I'm really struggling with the accent cut. If we look at this couch, this is one of my favorites, right? So my friends are calling this couch the infinity couch. I'm gonna show you guys why. So you know when you're coming over and everybody like, come over, you got a bunch of people. Oh my God, Lavelle, you know I got 6 people here, one right there, one right there. And another person comes, so I open the door, they're like, oh my God, where I'm gonna sit? This is my favorite thing to do. I'm like, don't worry about it. I got some seats for you, baby. Do you see what we just did? We just created more seating space from the infinity couch. Look at this. It just take them right off. I'm in love with this couch. I'm obsessing over this infinity couch. So now I rarely have any seating issues. I can build it for 3, I can build it for 6, I can build it for, I can completely customize this couch. But, right, I know you're thinking, I know you guys are thinking, well, so it has some special technology to where when you put your back against it, and look at that, nothing, not moving. The technology on the piece here keeps it all sturdy so that it's nothing happening. So that way, if I'm just by myself, I can make this into like more of a comfortable TV watching space. I love this couch. I got this couch exclusively from a warehouse here in Los Angeles. I'll share that with my local LA people. And it cost me little to nothing. I can get you the price on that one, but it cost me little to nothing. So we talked a lot about dividing space in the studio. So I have roughly a bigger studio for sure, about 600 square feet. But all of my people who live in a big city like LA, you know this costs us. And so studios are ultimately a very price-saving option. So I have next my bedroom. And I divide a lot of my space, and what I'm encouraging for a lot of my people is just look at little things that we did to divide the space. We have this little rug here. I think I got this from like Ross, honestly. We got rugs and things to divide the space and create it. But I have a California king size bed, so it was so important that I had enough space to where it doesn't take over, but placement was so important. So I'm encouraging everybody, if you're having a studio, you're designing it, make sure you're picking your spaces, play with them. So first I had the bedroom here, then I moved it there, but I love where we put it. So this is the final space. And then I did a lot of bright colors. So if you look around, why it feels so open, besides my amazing windows that we'll talk about, is because we did really bright colors, right? So we have this here, we have a slightly lighter gray. It was important that I use lighter colors, and once I picked my accent, it all makes sense. But the lighter colors really play a big part on why everything feels so open. And then of course these windows. I love these windows. It's my favorite part. Able to wake up every morning, look at inspiration from the Hollywood sign that's behind me to Netflix, all of that from my windows. And then, so look, a big trick, if you have a smaller space, is putting things like mirrors. Besides bright colors, is mirrors as well. So what I did was, I got a floor mirror, full length. It's completely making an illusion when people walk into my home, looking at that space, opening it up. So make sure if you guys are gonna buy a mirror, which you must, full length is important, but this mirror is gonna divide more of the space, creating an illusion like, oh, what's over there? That's a fun fact. And then of course, you know when the boy puts together this flag, that's where he goes. I goes to this mirror, all right? So this is ultimately all this space. This is ultimately where I spent a lot of my time and a lot of design and a lot of money went into this. So that's why we've been on that mid-season break, but we back now. Let's go into the kitchen. Let's go into the kitchen. This is my kitchen. I love this kitchen because it also does that divide concept by itself. So I have, when I'm hosting, people come in the kitchen, they'll take some shots, they'll be all over here, then we have them over there and over there. And so I love that I was naturally able to do this. And so if you're looking at apartments, consider that when dealing with a studio. I know everybody won't open, but I was really thinking like I want my kitchen almost be separate to create more space there. Uh-oh, I just made a spill, that's not good. And so yeah, this is my kitchen area. Fun fact, I make a smoothie every morning. And so I bought this little $20 smoothie. from Target. It was actually a gift. Shout out to my mom, Mama Meeks. But this is what I use every morning, probably the most in my kitchen. I get like 2 bananas, 4 frozen strawberries, whipped protein from GNC, almond milk, and ice every morning. Really quick, takes me about 5 minutes to make. And that's ultimately my kitchen. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I let you guys exclusively in, so can nobody say that they did not get an invite to the penthouse. I invited you guys, I let you all in. You guys are more than welcome to come whenever you feel like it and join me on this journey. I'm gonna keep you updated on what I do design-wise. I wanna hear some of your feedbacks. I still haven't picked the accent color, so if you can help me pick a color that will keep it bright, keep it pop, I wanna hear those. Leave them in the comments. Send me DMs on Instagram at The Lavelle Show to let me know what color I should go with or any tips that you can give. We're just keeping this open and bright. But I'm excited, we're back. The mid-season is over. I'm giving you all the content, so stay tuned. Make sure you like this video, thumbs it up. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed already to The Lavelle Show, and leave a comment with any feedback that you guys may have. I'll see you next time really soon. I'm working on some exciting stuff and I'm so excited. But that's the penthouse. Cheers, thank you guys for coming.